Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a colorful staircase. Are you ready?
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, we'll draw the stairs. Let's start from the top. Draw a small rectangle. Now, just below it, draw another rectangle a little bigger than the one before. Keep going. Make each rectangle a little bigger as you move down the page. Wow, it's starting to look like real stairs. Keep drawing until you reach the bottom. And that's our staircase shape. Now, let's draw two handles, one on each side of the staircase. Draw a curved line from the top to the bottom. That's our handle. Do the same on the other side. Perfect. Next, draw lots of small vertical lines between the stairs and the handles. These are the pillars that hold the handles. So cool, right?
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make it look bold and clean. Trace over the outlines to make them thicker and sharper. This makes your artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's get our color pens ready. Today, we'll use rainbow colors. Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, look at that beautiful staircase full of colors. You did an amazing job. That's it for today, my little artists. If you loved drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun art every week. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.